Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Footwear Fashion Palace, and I am here with my another and the latest video. And my this video is about some different length of heels in really beautiful design and really different color combinations that looks really nice and amazing and very pretty and beautiful designs. And as you see, this color looks really pretty, a very beautiful and appropriate colors for the summer. And this shiny heel makes it appropriate for your any kind of occasion, and with your recent kind of dresses, these kind of heel looks more pretty. And this one is also a very beautiful color. The shiny material makes your heel more pretty and amazing, and this color also looks really nice, very beautiful kind of colors. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon and like this video, comment on this video and share this video. So today's video is going to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video.